Design tokens are the fundamental elements of our design system. Essentially, they store key values such as colors, spacing, typography, border styles, and other properties that define the visual appearance of your product. In other words, they are visual styles that determine the look and feel of our components and elements, providing consistency and personality to our design. So, for example, we have the classic button. Its text color is black and the button background color is white. So these two colors serve as example of design tokens that can be used in the button as well as in other elements. We would start with global. At this level, we name the raw values, the key values. In this case, we have a color that we have called green 300. Then we would move on to a second level, the alias. In this case, the alias refers to the brand, that is, our design system will have a specific usage and design decisions regarding visual styles. For example, our green 300 is the primary color we use in our design system, which is why we call it color primary default. We would then move to a third level, the semantic tokens. This is where tokens gain much more potential, because given the specific context, we can incorporate into their names. We can be much more precise in their usage. In this case, our primary color is the one we will use as the background for our primary buttons. So we name it button primary background. This makes our intent much more explicit. These tokens can be reused in other parts of the design system, but we will further specify them with additional semantic tokens. In essence, the light and dark themes of our applications is greatly facilitated by tokens because they allow us to deeply customize and personalize styles throughout our designs, and then with a single click change them while designing. And multi-branding is a bit more complex, where we can use themes to create different brand styles. These themes will have subsets that allow us to configure themes such as light and dark modes, but also, for example, adaptations for the device we are designing for, pixel density, and so on.